In this video, I give you a walking tour of Geneva State Park in Ohio. Let's get to it.
Check out our latest RV and camping related gear at our Amazon storefront. Link in video description.
A good place to start would be the beach area. Lake Erie is right out here. You have picnic tables set up, quite a few of them right along the beach area. And you have restrooms with a wash station. They have a foot wash on the other side of the building here. And then there's a trail that takes you right down to the large beach area. Down this way. And yes, pets are prohibited on the beach. There is a large parking area adjacent to the beach area. There's the shower house, restroom facility I just showed you. Picnic tables, and they also have multiple seating areas all along the walking trail that parallels Lake Erie. It's very relaxing. I've been walking this trail for about 45 minutes. This is the State Park Lodge at Geneva on the Lake. From Geneva State Park, there's a walking trail that goes right along Lake Erie. It's a paved walking trail. It will lead you up to the State Park Lodge and Geneva on the Lake. Don't miss our separate video on the cute little town of Geneva on the Lake. Here's a view from the walking bridge. There's some pretty decent waves coming off of Lake Erie today. If you look closely, you can see a military cargo plane flying pretty low over Lake Erie. Geneva State Park has its own marina, folks. And right adjacent to the marina, you have a handy-dandy cell tower. And also adjacent to the Geneva State Park Marina, you'll find the walking trail that parallels Lake Erie and a beautiful natural area. Yeah, some wetlands in here and a ton of birds. Here's a little bit better view of the wetland area. I'm recording this video in August of 2022. Check out all the color in this wetland area. Look at those flowers. The paved walking trail that parallels Lake Erie here at Geneva State Park is really nice. You have all kinds of different viewpoints. This is a look back up into the wetland area. The marina is over here. And then you have this wetland that makes it its way out into Lake Erie. So I think what I'm going to do right now is off to my left, the walking trail, the paved walking trail, takes you further down the coastline here in Lake Erie, and there are a couple vantage points I want to show you. As you make your way down the walking trail, you'll come to multiple different bluffs where you can look down on Lake Erie, and the bluffs get steeper as we make our way down the trail. And as you make your way out the walking trail, you'll run into beautiful natural areas such as this one. Just a short walk off the hiking trail, you'll come to bluffs just like this. With beautiful views of Lake Erie and very interesting driftwood. Well worth a walk. Here's the entrance to Geneva State Park Campground, and we're going to come back here. I'm going to show you a few of the best campsites. But right now we're going to walk down the walking trail, which is off to my right, and there are some cabins down here I want to show you. Then we're going to come back to the campground. Let's get to it. You'll find out why here in a second, why I wanted to show you these cabins here at Geneva State Park. Check out the view you have from these cabins. Let's walk up in there. There's a playground right here with the cabins. Looks like you have 2 parking spaces per cabin. Let's walk out to the water's edge here. These cabins sure have a great view of Lake Erie. And back down that way is the marina. The campground check-in station's right there. You can buy ice there as well as check in upon arrival. But right now, we're going to go down. I'm going to show you a few campsites down in the campground. As I normally do, I'm only going to show you the very best campsites. Let's get to it. You'll even find a shower house and laundry here at Geneva State Park Campground. And it looks like there's 2 washers. It takes coins, $1.50 to wash. We have a sink. Also $1.50 to dry, 2 dryers, and then you have a folding table and a garbage can. So I've probably walked past 50 sites, can't recommend one. Here's site 53, and I'm just using this as an example. A lot of the sites are shallow and you're not allowed to park your tow vehicle in the grass. Everything has to fit on the asphalt. So very few of these sites will work for my 5th wheel and tow vehicle. But let's check out the hookups here. This is a 30 amp electric service on site 53. If you have a smaller camping configuration, that site may be of interest to you. It's right on the corner. You got a shower house right off to the right there. Well, I'm going to continue to walk the campground and see if there's any big rig friendly campsites I can recommend. So this is site 49. It's a keeper. It's double wide, and that will accommodate my 5th wheel. And you have a paved seating area right in front outside your door. Pretty sweet. Site 49 going down the book. Site 47 also going down the book. So here's site 42. It's vacant at the moment. It would accommodate my 5th wheel. Let's check out the electric service here. Nice paved parking area. You have water. Cool beans. 30 and 50 amp electric service. And there's your fire ring and picnic table to the rear of the site. Got a little bit of privacy with this site, and that's a lookout. Okay folks, site number 42 going down the book. Well, south. I think that's going to do it for the campground. We have site 38 off to my right. We can put that down for an alternate. It looks like you're also going to have 50 amp service there and a paved parking area outside your front door. As with the other site, you have the picnic table and fire ring to the rear of the site. And as you exit the campground, you'll find the dump station. And there is a designated picnic area all to its own, the Crab Apple Picnic Area here in Geneva State Park. And here's a little bit closer look at the picnic area. It has a restroom facility and plenty of picnic tables. And a very large parking lot. These cottages are part of the park complex, I do believe. Part of the lodge housing facility. And check out the place for a fire with all the seats around it in the center of the cottages. It is a gorgeous day here on Lake Erie. And there are several groupings of these cottages as you walk along the Lake Erie Trail. From Geneva State Park in Ohio, I think I'm going to leave it here. I'll have the upload and download speeds for Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile in the written video description on YouTube. If you like these videos, like and subscribe, and I'll see you down the road.